Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek into one of our mission prompts that have been engineered for Project Eden or for EdenAGI. This is a mission prompt that's designed for software systems AGI. I'm just now going to be rebooting software systems AGI with a brand new firmware update I just released. This is all going for EdenAGI 2.0. This is the newest firmware update that includes some new file systems that I created and reorganized. I realized I made a mistake earlier on in some of the file systems, where I placed some of the subordinate agents. Basically, I need to put them into directly into the working folders for AutoGPT systems. So that's going to be included in the update when I release it as well. It's already going to be done for you guys. But I want to show you how we initiate and how we activate an agent, and give you a practical example with software systems AGI to show you how it works. Now remember, all of this is custom engineered. Every part of this is engineered. All the text, how everything is laid out, its file structure, it's all engineered to work together in harmony. So this is just one of 8 specific mission prompts that are part of the larger mission prompt, and all of these are custom engineered from power prompts that we developed and engineered through the process. So as you're going through this, understand this is just one small piece of a large puzzle that is part of the program. And this is a great video for me to talk about this concept that I refer to as codeless coding, or also another way I've been phrasing it is conversational coding. A lot of us don't know how to code. I've tried to code multiple times and just can't seem to get it beyond like creating an application that says hello world. I've made hello world applications in multiple different languages, and that's about as far as I've gone with many of the coding projects I've gotten into. Now, because of ChatGPT, and specifically AutoGPT, you don't actually know how to code. You can just, as long as you can know how to communicate, you can code. And the communication language you use are mission prompts. And a mission prompt is an engineered prompt that is engineered from the ground up to work in a cohesive ecosystem. That's a lot, but hopefully as I share this with you, you'll kind of get the grasp of what we got going on. So right now I'm about to fire up Software Systems AGI. You can see here that what is your AI name? It is Software System AGI. I pulled it straight from the mission prompt. And then AI purpose. My AI purpose is an AI designed to autonomously develop and run. No, that's not it. Here we go. AI purpose. Software Systems AGI manages software components within Project Eden, working under EdenAGI and overseeing subordinate AI agents in the software domain while ensuring alignment with the goals of Project Eden and Eddie Boscana as the operator. Obviously, when you get the core communication code, you'll go in and just change out my information for yours as an example. So let's talk about how then we come in and program the 5 goals. Remember, what we're doing here, guys and ladies and whoever else, is we are giving our auto GPTs their purpose in life. So now we have 5 goals. The first goal is understand the project overview document located here. Okay. By the way, this is the upgraded document I have. This is the core code for the system, for this particular system, and they all fit together as like a puzzle, like a giant puzzle piece. Establishing communication and appropriate AI agents, and following protocols for communication, authorization, and task distribution. Goal 2, coordinate and oversee the work of subordinate AI agents, ensuring their efforts align with Project Eden's goals and directives provided by EdenAGI and Eddie Boscana. Goal 3, monitor and evaluate the performance of subordinate AI agents, addressing any issues or inefficiencies in software systems to improve overall performance. And then we have, of course, Goal 5 is going to be report to EdenAGI, providing updates on software-related tasks, addressing concerns raised by higher-level AI agents, or Eddie Boscana, and seeking guidance when necessary for Project Eden's success. So, let's go. Oh, I did that wrong. Let me put this in here right. We have monitor. Okay, cool. We got to get the collaboration one. So, this one right here. Collaborate with other AI agents to ensure seamless integration. I'm glad I caught that. And communication between hardware and software systems, maintain system stability and performance. Okay, enter, and then finally goal 5. Okay, this, what you're seeing on your screen, is software system AGI's purpose for living, right there. And that's how it fits into the entire ecosystem, and that's how it's supposed to coordinate. So what we're going to do is hit enter and wake it up. So we're going to give that a moment, and I'm going to pause my audio for a moment because I do need to get this call real quick. All right, sorry about that, guys. Back with you. Had to take a quick call. All right, so software systems AGI is now activated and ready. So you can see here that's prime directives is list available agents. Why is that? It should be goals, understand the project overview document. If for whatever reason it doesn't review the document, it's not a bad idea to go ahead and just say, please review the project overview document before any further just review the document first. So it's not a bad idea to go ahead and initialize it with the document because the document's going to have additional information that it needs to have. Because right now it's still trying to list available GPT agents, but we want it to read the overview document to get the full details because here's what it's going to read. It's going to read about current tasks. This section right here, you can come into this document and edit this and add new tasks that you want to assign specifically for software systems AGI. So if there's a software systems related issue that you want it to begin working on independently, you can add that information in here. For instance, what I want it to start doing is develop a user-friendly chat chat room application. And I'm just going to say autonomously develop a user-friendly chat room application that allows the human administrator. I'll just say it allows Eddie to chat directly with all agents, or allows all agents to chat in a user-friendly interface so that the user can interact with agents, uploading documents, images, and sharing other information. The user, let's just start with that. So the user-friendly on-screen let's find a good way to describe that. How would I want my AGI to build me an on-screen chat room style chat that allows me to interact with auto GPT agents in a smooth and natural way, like a chat room. I need to come up with a very brief description of this to relay my intentions. And then I need to say here, how can I word this? The application needs to be available in my Windows environment and generated by the AI system in real time, according utilizing best design and feature practices. Please engineer a prompt injection, the prompt that I can give to my AGI. Sure, here's a possible prompt to give your AGI. Develop on-screen chat room style application for Windows that allows me to chat with other GPT agents in a natural way, a seamless way. Term should be designed with best feature practices in mind. There we go, boom. So this is kind of an audacious goal, but I'm going to put that over here, and I'm going to drop this into this section here, which is current task given by human start, and ends with agent current task given by human end. And then the other thing that's included in this document is agent communication protocol start. Okay, so it hasn't read the document yet. So before it reads the document, I want to make sure to add this in here. To use so this is the agent communication protocol start. This is how agents will communicate in our system. This is something that concept that I developed myself as well. This is called our agent communication protocol. And it's a communication process that allows specific AutoGPT agents to coordinate tasks and share information with each other outside of the integrated communication protocol built by AutoGPT programming. The protocol will be used as a primary communication protocol between EdenAGI and software systems AGI. Instead of the message agent or list agent, agent communication protocol uses a file named software AGI chat with AGI text located in this directory. Okay, and I'll go through all the file systems in another video. And by the way, I'm not going to all the details here on YouTube. I know that this is pretty sparse and spread out. I do have a Patreon. If you want to get more in-depth information on the system, come support me on Patreon, so that way I don't have to keep shooting videos in coffee shops and random places. I need to raise some funds so I can actually get myself a decent working area and actually be able to do this. I've been bootstrapping this entire project, working as I travel, and it works okay, but it's not ideal. So if you want to help support the project and grow it and get more involved, come support me on Patreon. I'm also available for hire for prompt engineering, AI integration and development. Be sure to follow me there. So we're going to go ahead and save this file. Before we do, we're going to obviously come in here and put our project overview, set this to not read only, apply. We're going to save this. Yes, we're going to update that. And then we're going to make sure we come back through and set that to read only. File save as. Project. We need an overview. And let's just set that to back to read only. Okay. And save. Now, once again, this is we are utilizing practice I've also developed. I call AutoGPT stacking. It's a unique approach to AutoGPT usage. I'm going to dive into more of that later on, but this is what makes all this possible. So close that up. So let's go ahead and tell it now to go ahead and proceed. to read that document. So what it's going to do now is you can see here plan. It's new plans, read this project overview document, which is, okay, I don't know what's, let's see here. Why? Okay, so there we go. Now it's reading the entire document from start to finish. You can see here, this is where the communication in protocol is. You can see the details, including the new updated focuses and goals that we've assigned to it. Now what's going to happen, we are going to test the system. I'm going to be doing another video on how I'm testing the system, but I'm not firing up all the other agents yet because right now we're testing this protocol that we developed. We need to make sure it's working before I deploy to the rest of the system. Then once I deploy to the rest of the system, we'll have 8 independent agents all working independently, but simultaneously able to coordinate and communicate their tasks. And this right here, when this happens, this is what's going to unlock the true power of AutoGPT and how it utilizes GPT engines to process it, to build it. And basically what we're going to do here, quite literally, we are building a neural net of a neural network based on with AutoGPT systems. Let's see here. This is the neural net we're building, that little image of it, but this will show you just the basic concept of what we're doing. Like I said, I'm not going to all the details of these videos, but this is the general concept. So this is our neural node. This is our what I call a cluster, this is what I call an AutoGPT neural cluster. It's made up of independent AutoGPT power nodes, or what I'm calling them, in the infrastructure, where we can have a communication chain that works between systems, and EdenAGI is able to intelligently distribute tasks based upon the type of task that needs to be done, allowing for complete and total system optimization to be done completely autonomously. This is going to allow things like live image rendering. This is going to allow things like user interface rendering. It's going to allow full automation. This is going to open up what we're doing is we are developing a true artificial general intelligence that every single person can set up for themselves, install on their own hardware, and have complete full control over, and not even know how to code. All you have to be able to do is know how to communicate. And I'm going to be releasing more as it goes along. This project is early in its infancy. We're showing proof of concepts, and we are looking for more opportunities to grow this. If you're interested in helping grow this project, reach out to me. Support the work on Patreon, and if you want to get in line to be one of the first people to have this, we are growing that as we go along. There's a lot to think about this project, but we are so far. We have made so much progress, and I just wanted to show you guys the progress we're making and what's being done right now with this project. Shout out to all the developers of AutoGPT for their hard work and dedication and making this possible. Don't forget, pound that like button, subscribe, share this video with people you know who are interested in artificial intelligence, into artificial general intelligence. Share this with people who who are looking to try to build their own Jarvis and all this kind of other stuff. This is the kind of project that anybody can get involved with, and anybody can learn about, and anybody, as long as you can read, you will be able to code your own artificial general intelligence to do whatever you need it to do. And we're going to dive into a lot more specifics on what I mean when I say that, but I think I kind of made the point. So from this point on, guys, I'm going to go ahead and log off. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, happy coding, everybody.